Alright, so Mike again, back with another video. As a continuance video, I am right now, I've got the old girl sitting outside. I've got the remote fuel tank hooked up. Now, to be fair and honest, I've already fired her up a few times, played around with the idle adjustment. She wasn't running good at first, and I wondered why. I'm like an idiot, I forgot to tighten the collars down on the carbs, and that was part of it. Got a neutral safety switch issue. I cleaned this out with some cleaner, but I'm having to bypass it here to get the bike to actually start. That's one thing about Suzuki, they got that stupid neutral safety where you have to pull the clutch in to get the bike to start, which I know it's all safety, yada yada. So I'm testing the switch right now with my voltmeter, and I got her out, and just giving you guys a heads up. Some of the things I've already done to do my restore: cleaned the carbs, adjusted all the valves, cleaned the head, cleaned it up really good, put a new valve gasket on it. Carbs have a carb kit in them, resealed. No leaks, thank God. And I can't have any leaks because I'm in a gas-fired furnace house with the heat, which I don't need this summer, but I can't have this bike leaking either. So we're working on that, making sure it doesn't leak. Put new header paint. Headers were in terrible condition, so I painted those with VHT. People tell me it won't last forever. Probably not, but at least it looks decent for now. I didn't do a complete frame off on this one. Probably should have, but I've got still a lot of painting to do. My rims, tires, need new tires. Tires got to come off. Rims got to come off and get repainted. Put new gaskets on the oil cooler filter lines to go all the way up to the motor. What else? Oh, rebuilt the shocks. Did that. I'm just kind of got a little bit of seepage, so I don't know what that's all about. It's just a work in progress, right? So I'm gonna, here in a minute, I'll fire back up for you guys, let y'all hear it, see what it's like. Got a new battery, put it in the other day, so finally got that ready. Like I said, just little things, factory. The guy that had it before me, there was actually 2 owners before. The one before, I think, had laid it down. Not bad, it didn't bend anything, frame looked good, everything's fine. But then of course I took these off, painted them, put new gaskets on. Had to make my own gasket for this, which I didn't feel like buying another one from Partzilla. I realized I put a bolt back in the wrong place here. My hanger dropped. I just hand tightened everything. Got to take the rims off, both of them new tires. Rims are going to get repainted. I'm going to go with a different color theme. This bike was factory silver. I'm going to paint it a different color, so make it look nice, I hope. So we'll see how that goes. But anyway, just giving you guys a little taste. I'll fire it up in a minute, let you guys see it, let you hear it. Sounds pretty good, actually. This D&D exhaust out of Fort Worth, Texas. It's old school, but man, it sounds nice, especially for a 750 Katana. Wasn't expecting that. So my Z sounds good too, but it's a whole different sound. It's a 950. So actually, Z900 is a 950 engine. You probably know that. All right, I'll be back. All right, we're back. All right, I'm gonna give it a test fire. Fire it up. See what happens. Get it back here. Good. We got power. We don't have neutral. No neutral. Let's look at that. Fire it up. Sounded smooth. Got a little cold setting, so it'll be be all right. Let it warm back up for a second. In my experience, all Suzukis are cold natured. She's idling good. Sounds quiet. I guess my valve adjustment did the trick. Makes me feel a little better. Still got a little hesitation down low. I'll probably have to adjust that. Happy, I'm happy with her so far. Oh yeah. I think she's gonna be okay. What all the hard work does. Got a little low on fuel. We'll let her idle for a minute. I'll get back to y'all.